You have learned to gather information. Great! It is time to set up and arrange the information for writing and maneuvering a show. And a script is the best practice to do this. Let me mention here that scripting does not mean the dialogues only, but also has a pathway. How will you proceed with the video? Sort of a storyboard. A storyboard is a graphic organizer in the form of illustrations or image displayed in the sequence for the purpose of pre-visualizing a motion picture, animation, motion graphics, or interactive media sequence. Since our video is only of 60 seconds, a storyboard would not be a great idea. Let's move to our main lead, scripting the video. Select an eye-catching title. I mentioned in my introduction video that you have only 3 seconds to grab someone's attention on social media. So it is very important to have an attractive title that can hold the viewer to click on your video to watch more content. In the case of telling a story on Statue of Liberty, the title would be Number 1. Why is the Statue of Liberty green? Number 2. Who owns the Statue of Liberty? Supporting image or footage. Once the title is decided, it is important to use an image or footage to relate the title. It could be an image or a footage. Once the title is done, start with an interesting fact about the subject. And if you do not have the fact, throw a question to your audience about your subject to create curiosity. The title followed by facts or a question will keep engaging the audience. In the meantime, you will have the main paragraph explaining the 5W1H. Let's see through an example. During the Revolutionary War, France became a close friend of Americans seeking freedom from Great Britain. To honor its friendship with America, France gave the US a special gift. Sculptor Frederick Auguste Bartholdi. Extremely sorry if I pronounce it wrong. So, sculptor Frederick Auguste Bartholdi's beautiful statue called Liberty Enlightening the World. The Statue of Liberty arrived in New York Harbor on June 19, 1885. Built in France, the statue is made of hundreds of thin copper sheets assembled on a frame of steel supports. When the statue was originally assembled, it was a dull brown color, reflecting the natural color of its copper plates. Over the next 30 years, it slowly turned to the green color you see today. It was not a magic, but it was science, a natural weathering process called oxidation. The above paragraph reflects the 5W1H, and I know you are smart enough to identify the 5W1H. Now let's divide the script in the timestamp. Here is the complete script of the video. The title stays from 0 to 4 seconds. From the 5th second to somewhere 10 to 15th second, it will be an interesting fact or a question. And from 15th second onwards to somewhere 50th second of the video, it will be main information or the paragraph containing 5W1H. And from 51st second to 56th second, it will be the call to action followed by the closing animation completing the 60-second video. This is how we have incorporated our script into 1 minute. I see you in the next one.